Hey everyone, Faber here. Finally, after some time, I have made a video. So today I will try out these €1, so less than $1 metallic watercolors from the European store, The Action. I picked these up quite a while ago, like really long ago, but I was intrigued. The colors are very close to the colors I mostly use, so yeah, I really wanted to try these out. Here is the packaging, and it is of course like really cheap. And the paint is in plastic tins, and they're all loose, and there is not a high quality base or whatever where they are supposed to be. It is just cardboard. So yeah, let's swap the colors. So the first thing I noticed is that I had to brush quite hard and long to get some paint on the brush. And the paint started to get softer, and eventually it worked and I got some paint on the brush. And overall the colors looked really nice and they were easy to use, but I wasn't a big fan of the pinkish color. It was more like purple and a little bit muddy, but the other colors looked really pretty. And I also gave them a second coating to build up the colors. So overall they do not look that bad, but I definitely would not call them metallic. It's more like a shimmer or glittery watercolors. But yeah, let's create a drawing with these watercolors. So I pre-doodled something very simple and went ahead with the watercolors. And for the painting I used the Arteza aqua brush and also their 300 grams watercolor paper sketchbook, because I just really love those to try out materials, and the paper is just really nice and thick. And you can of course also use a normal paintbrush for these paints. I just happen to be a fan of water brushes, so that's what I'm using. So I started with the pink color and I immediately noticed how streaky the paint was on the paper, and I am just not a big fan of the texture, and it was hard to get it even and pretty. And of course I had to try pretty hard to get some paint on the brush as well, which made this whole process a lot more difficult. The colors look a bit different from an angle because they have a shimmer to them, so they might look a little lighter than they are in real life, but in the end I will of course shift the paper around so you can see the end result. So let's continue this drawing and I will come back to you at the end to share my opinion about these really cheap watercolors, metallic glittery watercolors. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Hey, I'm back. It hasn't been that long. But anyways, I really liked the blue color, and I actually liked all the colors, but the pinkish purple color not so much. It's just not bright and pretty, and yeah, I don't know, I'm not a fan. The silver and the gold were great. I think they're really nice and they have a really good shimmer to them. I also think it's more than the other colors have. The other colors just seem more like a shimmer, and the gold and the silver, yeah, more metallic, I guess. So to finish up the drawing, I added some line art and details with color pencils and brush markers from Faber Castell, and they worked really nice actually with the paint together. So that was a nice surprise as well, because sometimes pencils and other materials don't go so well with watercolors, but this actually was no problem. And I really liked the fact that I was drawing on actual paper again, since I mostly draw digitally these days. And yeah, I wasn't caring about the outcome much because it is some sort of testing and experimenting anyways. So it was really relaxing to create this drawing, and I had a lot of fun even though the materials were a bit weird. But yeah, here is the finished drawing. So for my overall opinion about these metallic watercolors, well, I guess I would rate them 6 out of 10 because they're like €1. So that's really, really cheap. And for the price, it is a fun set, but I just really wouldn't call this metallic. Like, no, there's no way this is metallic. The paint has a little shine to it, but that's it. But now I am really, really curious about how other real, more expensive metallic paints are, because they always look so beautiful and fun to work with. So maybe I'll treat myself on a very nice set. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I really, really hope you liked it, and please stay safe in this weird situation we're all in. But yeah, have a good weekend, and hopefully I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye, take care!